on the front board yesterday. It's kind of tedious, but it's really the only way to do it. Like, I can't shortcut this anyway for you. So we're just going to do one example. 4.6 times 10 to the third plus 8.72 times 10 to the fourth. Okay. So if you remember, the first step was to convert into scientific notation. Yes. Was that what you were going to say? Okay, so I'm going to convert these, right? So I have 4.6, and I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, plus 8.72, once I have those converted, I'm going to line them up, right? That's the most important part. Make sure the place values lined up. So I'm going to have 87,200 plus 4,600. You can rearrange addition problems, right? It doesn't matter what order you add in. So we usually put the value with the most digits above the value with the least digits. And then what's my last step for this? I can't leave it like this. What do I have to do? What, Asher?
So, you're gonna like, what's that called? I can't think.
Well,
The dot.
yeah, I have to convert it back, right? So my decimal is going to go here after the 9. 1, 2, 3, 4 loops. So my final answer
is 9.18 times 10 to the 4th.
Perfect. Right. So I convert, I add, I convert back. Yes, it takes time, I get that, but this is where we are. Okay. Let's try one with negative exponents. Negative exponents. .7 times 10 to the negative 5 plus 2.6 times 10 to the negative 3. Griffin, what's my first step? Yeah, I have to convert the decimal. Which way is the decimal going to go? My exponents are negative. Which way is it going to go? Left. So I've got 1.7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, plus, notice that I'm moving the 2.6 over so I can get plenty of space for my decimals. We line up the decimals, right? You also want to make sure you're writing your numbers in about the same size so that you can line them up appropriately. I put these two little zeros here as placeholders. What do I do now? Kendall, what am I going to do? What now? I convert it back. So my decimal goes here after the 2. It's 3 loops. 2.617 times 10 to the negative 3. Wonderful. Yes, sir.
Why would the decimal go over 2? Like
Because it's
So remember we put it right after the first non-zero whole number
oh yeah.
because we can only have one digit in front of the decimal in our answer.
Makes sense, makes sense.
So that's adding. Now let's do some subtracting. There's only one difference between adding and subtracting, and that's not just for scientific notation, it's for always and ever with operations. Can I rearrange a subtraction problem?
oh
Yes.
wait. Yeah, no.
So if I have 9 minus 7, can I rearrange it and do 7 minus 9 and get the same answer? No. The order it's given is the order you need to add or subtract, right? Or excuse me, need to subtract. Okay, so you cannot, like you remember how we took this one and put it up here and then added? Didn't matter. But for subtraction, you can't do that. You have to subtract in the way it's given. So let's do, let's see here.
Oh no.
Asher, do you want this number 1 or number 3? What's going to make you?
1.
1, okay. Listen.
If you're adding this, if you're having
Oh.
addition problem, you put 1 and then 2, and then subtraction, it's a different whole equation, so you're gonna put in another 1.
You're not wrong. You're not wrong. Okay, so same process. I'm going to convert. I have 78 million minus 245,000.
What is that 4 or 7?
This right here?
Yeah.
That's 7. Yep. Nope. I'll zoom in for you.
No, you're fine.
No, it's okay, you have that extra. There's a check. See, it's a check.
You're full of it today, Asher. You got zingers left and right.
I want them to brother wake me up because my alarm accidentally set off at 5:30.
I'm going to double check with my calculator because I want to believe I know how to do this with the borrowing, but it's been a minute. Yes. I got that one right.
Do you feel so happy about yourself?
I can still be a math teacher,
Okay.
right?
Yeah, see, the teacher next door, she was like, I think she did something wrong. And I was like, that's why you're gonna be a math teacher, as a joke. And then she started laughing, but
Okay.
well, she gave me a look, but still laughed. It was a chuckle laugh.
It was a chuckle?
It was a chuckle with a face that, you know,
Mhm.
it's not the best face.
What's my last step here? Vince, what do I have to do last? Oh, come on. What did we do up here?
That's another APC.
We turned it back into scientific notation. Great. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 loops. So my answer is going to be 7.7755 times 10 to the 7th power. I just made that up, and I'm actually kind of proud of it. It's kind of a
Did I
cool
make it
look, looking number. No,
Oh.
just because we only have one more to do, and I want to make sure it covers this specific thing, but maybe next time.
That's fine.
Maybe next time. But thanks for offering. Appreciate it.
I want off there again.
Oh, okay. Well, that's your choice. Okay. 3.5 times 10 to the negative 2 minus 6.6 times 10 to the negative 3.
that song gonna come in handy?
The integer song?
Yeah.
No. We're not going to go into negatives, no.
Wait, that is a negative.
So I have 3.5. I'm going to go to the left 2 places. So I have 0.35. And then I have 6.6. Go to the left 3. 0.0060. You cannot rearrange. Do not rearrange. You just line up the decimals. What do I have to put here above this 0?
A 0.
A 0, just for good measure. Oh wait, I forgot a 6. I'm sorry. I'm like, why does this look too easy? Hold on, hold on. Oh, I'm sorry, guys.
That's why I was wrong.
My bad. Okay, so this is going to turn into a 4. That will turn into a 10. 14. There we go. Phew. That looks better. Did you just pretend to give him some gum? That was awesome. You even like reached into your pocket and everything. False hope. Okay. 1, 2 loops to get it back to the beginning. So we have 2.84 times 10 to the negative 2. So what you're going to be doing today is a fun scientific notation practice. And there's some coloring involved, which everybody loves. Keep your notes out. Don't you dare put your notes away.
Put that everywhere. Oh shoot, he's trying to
So slow.
One of these is for Mrs. Dork. Did you already order, or did you already pick one up?
Is that the turtle?
It is.
Yeah, I got that one yesterday. Thank you. You ordered it.
You ordered it yesterday. Got your advanced copy. Is there an extra? Okay, I'll be back in a second.
I'll take that extra.
You have to do 2 rows.
Sorry. That's just the way it goes sometimes. All right, so you're going to need a separate piece of paper. There's 10 problems. 5 are addition, 5 are subtraction.
So slow.
Here, you have to move.
No, I'm good. Thank you, Bubba.
Where's Bubba here?
I'm just that joking kind of guy.
All right, this is what we're doing. Forgot my Fitbit today, so I feel a little lost. On your separate piece of paper, show your process. Show your steps, just like we did here.
I didn't.